Okay, so moving. She is asking. She is asking. Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So finally I'm doing this video. So मैंने आप लोगों से Instagram stories पे community tab पे पूछा था that what do you think about me? Send me your assumption. I'll react to it. I'll share a back story to it. So yes, and I thought कि Q&A से थोड़ा different होगा तो मजा भी आएगा. Last Q&A I did was in June, so I thought कि let's do this time assumption, so आप मुझे और बेहतर जान सके, so that you guys can connect with me easily और हमारी vibe मिले. So yes, without wasting any time, let's get into the questions. My first assumption is by Suryansh Tiwari. उन्होंने मुझे 3 assumptions पूछे हैं. So the first one is that you don't like to go in acting field. No, which is not correct. Actually, I would love to go. अगर आगे के future में कोई opportunities मिलती है, I would love to experiment and explore their opportunity. Assumption है that you are very calm and polite personality. This is absolutely correct. I don't lose my temper very easily. I see the situation around and then accordingly take action. Third, वो assume करते हैं कि I like to spend my time with my family rather than my friends. This is absolutely incorrect. Actually, I love to spend my time with my friends and family both. But due to the situation right now, I am connecting with my friends virtually. And that is the best thing actually as of now. And one should do that, right? But this is incorrect. I give preference to both my friends and family. The next assumption is from Krutika Bal Pathak. She says that you were the topper of your school and college. This is absolutely correct. I was topper of my school. I ranked first, and I was the topper of my college. I ranked third. Yes, I was a very studious person, and I was pretty much dedicated to my academics because I wanted to achieve everything. I was competitive, so yes, that's correct. Next assumption is from Tamanna Datta. She says that you also want to go in acting career. Please comment upon it in your video. Love you, Sonu Deep. Thank you, Tamanna. Lots of love to you. Coming to your assumption is somewhere correct. मैंने past में बहुत सारे auditions दिए हैं. Then I was inclined towards my academics, so मैं उसे पूरा करने में लग गई. But as I said that near future में अगर मुझे कोई opportunities मिली, so I would definitely like to explore it. Okay, so the next assumption is from Anvi. I'm assuming that you were a very shy person earlier and very introvert too in your school days. It's just that the people around me, मैं जिनको बहुत अच्छे से जानती हूँ, I become very comfortable with them, and in fact school days से ही मैंने अपने आप में confidence build up किया है. And stage fear भी मेरा हट चुका है उसकी वजह से, because I used to take so many challenges and competitions, be it dance, elocution competition, and many other such competitions. So yes, it's just that I need my space and I'll be comfortable. When I go in public, I represent myself as a very disciplined person, so people think that I'm a very shy person, but I'm not. Next assumption is from Samra. She says that my assumption is that you like kids. बच्चे किसको पसंद नहीं होते हैं. I love to play with kids. They are very cute and innocent, and stress free हो जाता है. But once they start crying, थोड़ा handle करना भी मुश्किल हो जाता है. So the next assumption is from Siddhi Agrawal. She says that you don't like makeup. This is absolutely incorrect. I love makeup. It's just that मैं natural simple सा makeup लगाना prefer करती हूँ. So you guys don't come to know whether I like makeup or no. That's why I think this assumption came from. So yeah, this is absolutely incorrect. I love makeup, and I love the basic and the natural simple look. Okay, so the next assumption is from Soumya _and_DAR. You don't fight with Raj. ये भी कोई पूछने या assumption करने की बात नहीं है. आपने हमारे vlogs में देखा ही होगा हम किस तरह से एक दूसरे से झगड़ा करते हैं. And even ऑफ कैमरा हम बहुत झगड़ा करते हैं, एंड देन नेक्स्ट दिन मिल भी जाते हैं कि चलो कुछ काम करना है, मेरा तू काम कर दे, मैं तेरा काम कर देती हूँ. सो yes, that is bond, right? True bond. So the next assumption is from Vedi_. She says there was a shy girl and now able to face camera confidently. So this assumption is partially correct and partially incorrect. As I said that I was never a shy person. I never ever had stage fear बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू व्लॉगिंग, आप कैमरा के सामने सिर्फ बैठ के बोले जा रहे हो, अपनी स्टोरीज नरेट कर रहे हो, तो थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता है, बिकॉज बैक ऑफ द माइंड बहुत सारी चीजें चलती रहती है एंड यू जस्ट फील दैट आप क्या बोले जा रहे हो। तो आपको एक स्टोरी टेलर बनना पड़ता है ताकि आप अपने ऑडियंसेस से कनेक्ट कर पाए। बट आई थिंक आई एम ओवरकमिंग दिस नाउ। आपने मेरे ब्लॉग्स में देखा होगा एंड येस, प्लीज फील फ्री टू रीच आउट इन कमेंट सेक्शन. I'll be happy to have your advices and suggestions that how you think about my vlogs, quality, or on anything you guys just want to comment on. I'll definitely take that as a positive comment and positive advice, and I would definitely try to work on it. So the next assumption is from I_Miloniv. You are pursuing BCom. No, this is incorrect. I'm not pursuing BCom. I have already done my graduation. Okay, so the next assumption is from Poonam Sharma. She says that राज जब शूटिंग पर जाते हैं तो आप भी उनके साथ जाते हो. तो ये assumption बिल्कुल भी गलत है. जब राज शूट पर जाता है तब मैं उसके साथ नहीं जाती हूँ. Yes, कभी कभी आउटडोर शूट होते हैं तो मैं उसके साथ जाती हूँ, ट्रैवल करती हूँ. और आपने जैसे हमारे ब्लॉग्स में देखा होगा, हम खूब सारी मस्ती करते हैं. So yes, this is incorrect. Okay, so moving on to the next assumption is from Nauman. He says that you have acted before. No, I have never acted before. Okay, so moving on to next assumption. This is from Anil and he says that I have Ferrari. So मुझे हंसी भी आ रही है, रोना भी आ रहा है. अगर मेरे पास फरारी होती तो मैं फरारी में फरार हो जाती ना कहीं. क्या यार, कुछ भी लिखती हो मेरे बारे में. Okay, so moving on to next assumption. It's from Ayushi. She is asking that you are going to get married soon. This is for you, Ayushi. Your answer. No. Okay, so moving. What the hell was that? Have you got mad or what? The last assumption is from Shanvi Shah and she asked me that you are not a kind of foodie person. This assumption about me is definitely incorrect. I am a big foodie. I love to explore new restaurants, new cuisines, और जो अतरंगी स्टाइल में सर्विंग्स होती है मुझे वो भी एक्सप्लोर करना बहुत पसंद है. एंड येस, आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू अ फूड ब्लॉग ऑन माई चैनल. सो कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताना कि आपने कौन सी अतरंगी चीज खाई है या सर्विंग स्टाइल्स में देते हैं जो मुझे ट्राई करनी चाहिए. सो आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई दैट आउट. बहुत मजा आया मेरे बारे में डिफरेंट अजम्पशंस रीड करके. मुझे बहुत सारे अजम्पशंस सेंड किए थे, मैं इस वीडियो में थोड़े ही कवर कर पाई. I'll definitely try to cover that in part 2. Yes guys, if you like this video then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.